Good evening. Tonight I'm going to do an unboxing of my iPad Smart Folio for the 10th and 11th generations of iPad. I haven't got the tablet yet. It's not coming until Thursday. But I know it's not Black Friday yet, but I got it on the Apple online store for $129, which I do believe is a bit high of a price, but you know, I really wanted one, so yeah, I could have waited, but well, this is it. Well, I know I probably could have waited, but hold on a sec. So yeah, it's right here. Of course, it comes with your standard cardboard holder so I'm gonna just put this back. Okay. I won't be getting. So yeah, the iPad is expected to arrive on Thursday, the 20th of November. Yeah. So I'll post a video when I do get it, with the unboxing and possibly first boot. So thanks for watching. Good night.